How to unlock iCloud from devices with open menu access and iCloud storage not loading. First, put out SIM tray and remove the SIM card. Now turn on the plane mode. Go to Wi-Fi and next to your network name choose I button, configure proxy and enter server name. Put port. Click Save and join the network. Enter the password. After successful connection with Wi-Fi, open Safari and place open.menu. Go. Allow to download the profile. Back to the settings, General, Profile, install this profile. Back to General, scroll up, About, scroll to the bottom, Certificate Trust Settings. Enable the certificate. Continue. Back to the settings, scroll up, enter your account. Now we got information that it's pending token, so we have message reload. Go to iCloud, turn off calendars, wait 3 seconds, turn on calendars. Repeat the step, turn off, turn on. Now back. Open your account again. We got the unlock code. Use this number to submit your order.